Are you having some dead battery issues? If so, I got some help for you. Hi, I'm Bertrand Techman. On this channel, every week I produce videos to help you to plug into technology. If this is your first time here, please help a brother out. Hit that subscribe button. If not, then thanks for returning. In this video, we're going to look at the Buture Br300 portable jump starter. Let's check it out. So batteries do go dead, and sometimes they may need a jump start by means of a jump starter. That's where this handy gadget, the Buture Br300 car jump starter, comes into play. It is designed to start 12-volt vehicles from gas 6OL to diesel 5OLs and anything in between. It has 800 amps of power and can be charged for 20 times from a fully charged power bank. The main features are the 800 amps of power, a 12,800 power bank to charge two devices, smart clamp protection to avoid short circuiting or overcharging, and a 4 LED light function. Inside the box, you have the power bank, the smart clamps, the USB Type-C cable, the box for storage, and the user manual. The build quality is a very simple design, weighing 1.7 pounds, very light, made from hard plastic, and feels very durable in your hand. The smart clamps are heavy duty with thick wires. A smart connector is attached to the clamps, ensuring that you have various safety features for smart protection. On the very top, you'll find an on-off switch. A short press turns it on, the battery indicator lights up, and it goes into a standby mode if no operation is detected within 20 seconds. You can also use this button to turn off the LED lights by pressing it for 3 seconds, then pressing it again for a short period of time to switch between various modes. You can charge your phone or tablet by simply connecting it to the power bank via the USB-C cables. The power bank can charge with 5-volt power bricks not provided, using the Type-C cable provided. To connect your charger, you simply take your smart cable, you hook the positive to the positive, and then you hook the negative to the negative. And then you'll notice that you have a green light showing that you have a solid connection. The next thing you want to do is you want to go inside your car, and then you want to start your car for about 2 or 3 seconds. And you see it starts. Then you disconnect the cables. My final thoughts. The Buture 800 amp jump starter is a very effective little charger, and its small size makes it very convenient to store. The fact that it has 3 modes of safety lights is very useful for emergencies. But what I like best is the 12,800 mach charger, which allows you to charge 2 devices at the same time, though not as quickly as a real fast charger. The only thing I found to be negative is the storage. Most chargers like this comes with a case. This one just a box. But for less than $50, maybe it's fair. So I would recommend this product. I got mine from Amazon for $49. A link will be in the description below. If you want a more powerful charger, you can check out my Duralast review. I'm Bertrand Techman. If you found value in this review, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. But more importantly, comment. Tell me if the video instructions were clear and easy to understand. And I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.
Be strong.